Is your company's GenAI strategy driving real innovation? Or is it just hype, driving you insane? Let's look at common pitfalls and how to avoid them. I'm Jan Stoneman, and in this video, I'll share the mistakes I've seen. Although I am a solutions architect at AWS, the opinions here are my own. Many leaders push for implementation without clear purpose. This can lead to wasted resources and solutions that don't really serve your customers or business needs. Always start with the why. Hold GenAI apps to the same standards as any other project. Don't overlook the potential of local open source LLMs, which are easy to use on your laptops thanks to frameworks like Olama. Most concerns with GenAI are around sending data outside of your environment, like to model providers. Ignoring tools like Olama can mean blocking your people from integrating GenAI into their workflows, while you spend months scrutinizing the cost and security of proprietary platforms. Instead, encourage teams to experiment with local LLMs. This means downloading a model and using it in your own environment. Local LLMs are a free way to get hands-on with GenAI without waiting on legal and InfoSec to finish their security reviews. Never. Many orgs fail to give GenAI training across all knowledge worker roles. This leads to underuse or misuse of GenAI tools, leaving either 40% productivity boosts on the table or slowing you down 19%. So why not integrate GenAI literacy into your hiring and training? Stop chasing the best GenAI model. This can lead to slow response times or costs that don't make sense for your project. Focus on finding the right model for your task. For some stuff, faster and dumber is better than complex and cutting edge. For example, a tiny 100 million parameter model fine tuned to your task can be more accurate than a quintillion parameter model. That tiny model may be 1,000 times faster and cheaper at your task and 10% more accurate, but super dumb when it comes to designing rocket ships. Don't think LLMs can do large scale numeric data analysis. This misconception can lead you to invest development time in the wrong areas. Understand, we're talking about large language models here, not number models. Read up on ages. LLMs can use tools like APIs to outsource that number crunching. Share your horror stories or tricks in the comments and like and subscribe. And GenAI strategy is key. It's not just what you use, but how you use it.